Okay, ERXGen Breakout today, Friday, the 9th of July 2021. I do not know why anybody will not be using the system now. But once again, I show you an example. I don't record these videos every day, but in reality, these are the sort of things we see on a daily basis. You have more winning trades than losing trades on this, but you've got to stay on this consistently following the strategy to get the benefit of this. So let's look at some of these examples today. Um, right, Euro AUD. So today, first of all, today we have how many opportunities show up here? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Euro AUD, GBP AUD, Euro NZD, GBP NZD, and GBP CHF. And how do I know? We have all three ticks. So this strategy has got three rules, and when you have ticks for each of the rules, then you have a potential signal. And you can see clearly here we have for the Euro AUD, and so we would have had a potential buy there. We didn't know that price will not go up here, and potential buy and also a potential sell here. And what did we get? Price came down and gave us right now how many pips? So there's over 60 pips here that you could have just taken, as it were. So nicely done. So we will go to the next one, GBPAUD. GBPAUD, again, something similar. Potential opportunity would have been here, and the sell would have been here as well. So we can see here now as well that we had how many pips here? About 40 pips. So even if you went for 30 pips on each of them, you already have 60 pips here, and price is going back up here. So you should have had your profit and walked away from this market, from this trade by now. But yeah, you can see Euro AUD, something similar. GBP AUD, sorry. And then the next one is Euro NZD. Where are you? So Euro NZD, similar to the Euro AUD. So again, potential opportunity for buy there, but that didn't happen. Potential opportunity for sell here, which happened. And then here we had, again, another 50, over 50 pips in profit. Now you could have been out of this trade. Again, 30 pips, you're out of this trade. Three trades now, you could have had 30 pips each. That's 90 pips of profit on the Euro NZD. And let's look at GBP NZD. Once again on this one, potential buy would have been here. You didn't get a buy yet, but you had a sell after you had it as a potential. And how many pips did that give us so far? About 32 pips. So again, if you had 30 pips as your profit taking level, you'd have just walked away with some profit here now. And then price is now going back up. You should really be out of this trade by now. So again, that's 4 trades now, 30 pips each, 120 pips all in profit. And then GBPCHF is the final one. GBPCHF, nicely done. So this one again, you could have had a potential sell there. Let's just go surface. Potential sell and then potential buy, which the sell did not trigger, but the buy did trigger. And then what did you get? You now have this thing going up over 50 pips. But even if you went for 30 pips, so that would have been 5 trades, 30 pips each, and that's 150 pips. And if you're trading one standard lot, 150 pips times 10, that's 1,500 in one day. If you're trading a mini lot, 0.1, that would have been $150 now. And if you're trading micro lot 0.01, that would have been $15 easily just done. And you could have traded anything in between 0.02, 0.2, 2.0 lot size, again, depending on the size of your account and your risk applied to the trade. Okay, so that's Euro NZD. And once again, if you want to know how to do this, the offer is there. The ERXGen Breakout System overview. I've recorded 4 videos that you can watch of me teaching you how the strategy, the principles behind this. Where do you buy? Where do you sell? Where do you take your profit? Where do you set your protective stops? So all that is recorded in the 4 videos, and I've also added a free offer to give you this indicator here. So this indicator I wrote that allows me to spot these opportunities in the market, plus the matrix here too. So you get all that together for what, $7. I just do this to just help folks to start this process into the market. So go ahead, if this interests you, get yourself a copy of it, and then ask us any questions on when you've started to use this, and hopefully we can help you out. All right. I hope this helped you out. But in the meantime, you take care, stay disciplined, and let's earn some money from the market. All right. See you later. Cheers.